guys, this is ZombieDagger13 here, and this is the last part of this 3-part tutorial. And this part is how to make your bike sound like a dirt bike. Now, you see here we got a can, any can, just it has to be a can, and you put it between your tire like that. And this is one that we've used for like a couple minutes now. It's really sounds really good with a fresh one, but just it sounds really awesome. Now my cousin, which has done all 3 of the tryouts, will try this out, and you guys will hear how it sounds.
I don't.
We might have some difficulties. Yeah, it doesn't sound that good, but if you have a fresh one, it sounds awesome.
You just mold it around the can, and then, you mold the can around the tire, and then it sounds better.
Yeah, like if you have a fresh can, you just need to like step on it.
You don't even really have to step on it, you just have to smash it on the tire.
It sounds really awesome. Well, this is it for this tutorial, so I guess you guys can try it, which will probably sound better, and that's all. See you guys.